Hey gardeners, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you two simple recipes for making your own bioenzyme at home. Not only these bioenzymes act as eco-friendly cleaners, but they also work brilliantly as an organic liquid fertilizer for your garden. So let's get started. For the first one, you will need jaggery powder, orange peels, garlic and water. Now add jaggery powder 1 to 2 tablespoons for a 1 liter bottle. Then top it up with your chopped orange peels and crushed garlic. This will help to release the natural enzymes from these two. Then pour it with the water and don't fill the bottle completely. Leave space at the top of the water for the gases which are produced during the process of fermentation, and seal the bottle tightly and store it at room temperature. For the first month, gently shake it every day to keep this mix active, and after about 3 months of fermentation, you'll have a potent bioenzyme. Dilute it with water and you can store it and use it later for your natural cleaner, or spray it on your garden as a liquid fertilizer to nourish your plants and boost the soil health. Meanwhile, during the fermentation, you will have to take care of the gases which are produced, so you will have to lose the bottle's cap to release the gases, and this will protect your bottle from exploding. And for this second one, we'll follow the same process, but instead of adding orange peels, I'll add the everyday kitchen waste like onion peels, vegetable and fruit peels, and you will have to chop these down and add these to the bottle, and the process will be the same. Now the question arises, why you should consider making your own bioenzyme at home. First, it will be a fantastic way to reduce waste by turning your kitchen scrap into a useful product. Second, the fermentation process produces natural enzymes that will break down the grease, dirt and other organic matters, making your cleaning task easier and without any hazardous chemicals. And importantly, when applied to your garden, this bioenzyme acts as an organic liquid fertilizer, helping to improve your soil health, boost the plant growth, and reduce your reliance on the chemical fertilizers.